Today we are going to discuss a few topics related to photoelectric emission. See, in the previous class we have a graph connecting photocurrent and potential. And we have seen that whenever we increase the frequency of light, means nu2 is greater than nu1, what happens is stopping potential also is found to be increasing. Now what happens when we decrease the frequency of light? When we decrease the frequency of light, what we can observe is the value of current also getting decreased. See, when you decrease from nu2 to nu1, the value of photocurrent gradually decreases. See, there is a particular frequency below which there is no photoelectric emission taking place. This particular lower frequency is called a threshold frequency. So, for every photosensitive metal surface, whatever may be the intensity of light which we use, there is a minimum frequency of light below which there is no photoelectric emission. Okay, that minimum for frequency is called a threshold frequency. Now, based on the observations, we can formulate a few laws, few postulates based on the laws. First postulate is that for every metal surface, there is a minimum frequency of incident radiation below which photoelectric effect cannot be observed. That's first law, first postulate. Second is that actually it is related to intensity of radiation. If the frequency of incident radiation is more than threshold frequency, the photocurrent is magnitude of photocurrent is directly proportional to intensity of radiation. That is the second law. Now what about the third one? Third one is actually related to kinetic energy of the electrons emitted. Kinetic energy of the electrons emitted increases with the what? Increases with the frequency of incident radiation. That's why we need to apply more potential. Kinetic energy increases with increase of incident radiation, but it is independent of what? Intensity of the intensity of incident light. Whatever may be the intensity of incident light, if you increase the frequency of incident light, kinetic energy of the electrons also increases. Kinetic energy of the electrons emitted also increases. So these are the postulates. One more we have, there is no time lag. There is no time lag between incidence of radiation and emission of electrons. We can say it is an instantaneous process. So immediately when light falls on the metal surface, an electron will be emitted. There is no time lag between incidence of radiation and ejection of electrons. These are the laws of photoelectric effect. So once again, we have explained what is threshold frequency. See, if we decrease the frequency, what we can observe at a particular frequency, when we decrease, the current value goes on decreasing. So if you decrease below a particular value, current can be zero. Current flow can be stopped. Okay, there may not be any current. Whatever may be the intensity, there may not be current flow. This minimum frequency is given a name called a threshold frequency. Now, which are the laws of photoelectric? We have actually four laws. First one is related to threshold frequency. So for every metal surface, for any source of light, there is a minimum frequency below which there is no effect of photoelectric effect taking place. That frequency is called threshold frequency. Second, you can see if the frequency of light is more than threshold frequency, the intensity of incident radiation is directly proportional to the photocurrent. Means when we increase the intensity of light, photocurrent also increases. Third one, the kinetic energy of electrons emitted. It is found to increase with the increase in frequency of light, but it is independent of what? Intensity of radiation. When we increase the frequency of incident radiation, definitely there will be more kinetic energy of the electrons. Okay, but it does not depend on what? The intensity of incident radiation. Then it's an instantaneous process. Immediately when light falls on the metal surface, an electron will be released from the surface. There's no time lag between incidence of radiation and emission of photoelectrons. So these are the laws of photoelectric effect. Okay, thank you.